Pat Stevenson has been a biologist for the Stillaguamish Tribe of Indians since 1988. Pat's drive for environmental education and science and his passion for on-the-ground impacts influence his actions and many of those around him. He encourages us to think bigger and do better. Pat's accomplishments include applying for a grant to put on a little educational event called the Festival of the River, which celebrates its 30-year anniversary in 2019. Implementing dozens of engineered log jams in local rivers and studying their performance over time, ensuring their efficacy and use by fish. All this, according to his co-workers, while navigating areas not meant for human access. Pat was one of the primary architects of the 2005 Stillaguamish Chinook Recovery Plan, which guides all Chinook restoration work in the watershed today. He had a direct hand in securing more than $20 million for salmon recovery work in the Stillaguamish Watershed. Pat has served for many years on the Stillaguamish Clean Water District Advisory Board and on the Invasive Species Council since its inception in 2006. Pat truly understands that good policies aren't always made in a meeting room. He encourages everyone to base decisions on reality by going outside and seeing the problem on the ground.